Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna fix our brake light. The light not working, the bulb work, but so I'm gonna turn on the park light. So you can see this come on, but that doesn't come on. This come on, that come on. So we're gonna go ahead and take out the tail lamp because that's the only way to replace it. To replace the bulb is just like replacing the lamp itself. So today we're gonna open the trunk. So with the trunk open, we want to get on the inside, peel this piece back. We're gonna have one 10mm, two 10mm, and it seems like two. It's my first time doing this, so guys, just bear with me. So one more thing, it looked like somebody tried to take this off because I don't think this is supposed to be dangling like that, but could be, but it's my first time, so I don't really know. But when you take this off, you will know what yours look like. You want to squeeze this right here, squeeze this right here and unplug it. Get your 10mm. Be careful not to let your screw drop, your nut drop down here, or else you're gonna have some problem. So the next thing we're gonna do is hold the lamp and try to bring it towards the rear. So you want to rock it and bring it back like that, or it come out like that. So I'm gonna put it back and show you another way. Alright, so now I put it back. It's hard to come out. I'm gonna come on this side, and what we're gonna do is get like a small hammer. So we're gonna get this back on it so we don't damage the threading. So once we don't damage the threading, we're gonna get a small hammer, and we are going to knock on this while pulling on the lamp. That should make it easier to pull it out. And once again guys, the compressor on. Don't want me to be great, but bear with me. So you see how easy the lamp come off by just tapping on this. I tap on this one, tap on this one down here too, and as easy as that, the light gonna come out. And now we can just squeeze this. We can squeeze it from that side, or we can just squeeze it and push it through like this. Once we push it through like that, now we have the light right here. We have a return signal on our brake light. So it's the same way how to change your brake light. So brake light, park light, counterclockwise, pull back on it. You can see the bulb. One time for the thumbnail. And then we go like this, take that out. So we want to push down, counterclockwise, pull up on the bulb. So guys, the bulb I took out of it is 2357. Actually is, yeah, 2357, and this one is 2057. So it's basically the same bulb. It will work. So we want to put it back in the grooves. One side is lower than the other side, so this side is lower and this side is higher. So if you try to put it, don't work, you turn it around. Should work like that. Put it back in, find the groove, counterclockwise. If you want to do your reverse, your turn signal, same thing. There you go, counterclockwise, pull out. And this one, they're both on the lower side, so it doesn't matter which one you put first. So you can put it that way, and then you can put it that way. You turn it around, find the grooves, then you lock it into place. This one is your marker light, 194. Pull it out, same thing. So this we gotta push it through here. Alright, so you want to hold on to the rubber part, and then you just pull it to one side and you pull it back right through. But if you pull it right through like me, just put it back. Take your time, pull it, make sure it's set right. I still don't believe that this should be hanging, but that's how I find it. It seems like somebody probably went there before me, but yeah, that's good. Now we gotta line up everything. We gotta line up these with the two holes there. Line up this right here with that right here. Line up this right here with that right here. Once that's lined up, you can give it a light tap. You can see that right there, sitting right. Now we're gonna get our 10mm. So this one, guys, use your head, not your muscle. Snug the screw, don't over tighten them, and you will be all right. So now we're gonna test that, make sure it works. So that come on, as you can see, we're good. So now the brake light is on, turn signal working. Let me turn on the light to get this light to come on. So now this light is on. And that's it, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Support the channel with the links in the description. Peace out. See you next time.